Hi, hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 mathematics. Today in this session, we are going to see some of the important multiple choice questions from your chapter number 15, surface areas and volumes. Look here children, I am going to provide you the question paper link in the description box. You can take out a print and you can solve these multiple choice questions. I am going to solve minimum 20 to 30 multiple choice questions and I am going to give you at least 10 multiple choice questions as a homework. I hope everybody are ready with your formulae from this chapter and we are going to begin your first question in this. First main, choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. Actually, this year you are going to get a OMR sheet. So, no need of writing alphabet or answer. Just you need to share the alphabet which is correct answer. Okay. So, I am going to write here alphabet along with the answer. I am not going to share anything. But in your examination, you need to share in the OMR sheet. Let's begin with the first one. The formula used to find the total surface area of a solid cylinder is. You can see 4 options and those options you can see on board. Let us select the right answer. What is total surface area of a cylinder? Yes, it is 2 pi r into r plus h square units. But in this, you don't have square units. So what is your correct option there? Check the option. Which is the right answer? Option D, 2 pi r into r plus h. Second one, capital A is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. This formula can be used to find. See, same formula, but they have given capital A. A indicates their area. Which area is 2 pi r into r plus h? That is, check the options there. Is it A? No. Lateral surface area of a cylinder? No. B. Total surface area of a cylinder. Yes, I go with the option. Option B. Total surface area of a cylinder. Next, coming to your third question. The formula to find the curved surface area of a cylinder. What is CSA of a cylinder? 2 pi RH. See which option it is? Option A, 2 pi RH. Fourth one. The curved surface area of a frustum of a cone is given by. See the options. Option A, pi into R1 plus R2 into L. Is it right? Yes, this is the answer. And no need of going with other 3 options. So your answer is option A, pi into R1 plus R2 into L. Fifth one. If the circumference of the base of a cylinder, let us try to understand this. Circumference of base of the cylinder. See here, this is the circumference. It is in which shape? Circular shape. Circumference of a circle, 2 pi r, is equal to how much given? 44 centimeters and height 20 centimeters. They asked us to find what is the lateral surface area. Formula is, what is CSA of a cylinder formula? 2 pi RH. Just multiply 2 pi r into h. 44 into 20. That is 880 centimeters square is your answer. Let us check it out. Which option is right here? Option B, 880 square centimeter. Sixth one, the height of a hollow cylinder is 7 centimeters and its radius is 3.5 centimeters, then the surface area is. When the word surface area it comes, which surface area you are going to take? Look here, we are talking about hollow cylinder. It is not a solid cylinder. Hollow means there is no top and there is no bottom. You can see only the curved surface area of a cylinder. That is height of a hollow cylinder. Let me take this example. Height 7 centimeters and its radius is 3.5 centimeters. Then what is the surface area? You can see only CSA. CSA formula is 2 pi r h. Substitute the radius and height. Pi value is 22 by 7. Radius is 3.5. I may write it as 35 by 10 into height 7. 7 cancel. And this will be 5 2s are 5 7s are 2 11s. Okay. Then 11 2s are 22, 22 7s are. It will be 154. Which option is right, children, here? Option B, 154 centimeters square. Option B, 154 centimeters square. Coming to your seventh one, the area of the base of a circular cylinder is. Area of the base of a circular cylinder. We are talking about the base of a circular cylinder. What is its area? 154 square centimeters. Area of a base is in which shape? Circular shape. Area of a circle formula is pi r square is equal to 154 and its height is 10 centimeters. Volume is. Height is 10 centimeters. What is the volume of a cylinder? Volume of a cylinder formula is pi r square h. Multiply this pi r square into h will give you the volume. 154 into 10, that will be 1540. Check the answer. Option B, 1540 cc, cubic centimeters. Your option is B, 1540 cc. Eighth one. The volume V of a cylinder with radius of its base smaller and height small h is calculated by using the formula. You can see the options there. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. V is equal to 2 pi r h. V is equal to pi r square h. V is equal to pi r h. What is volume of a cylinder? V is equal to pi r square h. So which option is right answer? Option C. V is equal to pi r square h. Option C. V is equal to pi r square h. Coming to ninth one. If V is equal to pi r square h, then R is equal to. Look here. If V is equal to pi r square h, then what is R is your question. So, in this formula, other than R, send other terms this sign. R square V pi h is a multiple. It becomes divisor. Pi h will be divided for V. I want only R. Then R is equal to square. Apply other side square root. When you are applying square root, you need to take plus or minus. Don't forget that. See the option which one it is? R is equal to plus or minus root V by pi h. It is your option C. Option C, plus or minus root of V by pi h. 10th one. A metal sheet of length 2 centimeters. Okay, let me take a metal sheet. This is length 2 centimeters and breadth 44 centimeters. Okay, breadth is more here. Breadth 44 centimeters is rolled to form a hollow pipe. Okay, suppose you imagine this one. This is 2 centimeters and this is 44 centimeters. Is rolled to form a pipe. Okay, you may roll this way or you may roll this way also. Any way you can roll. But in your question, they have given a statement. What is that? Is rolled to form a hollow pipe of length 2 centimeters. Suppose if this is a metal sheet, okay, this is 2 centimeter and this is 44 centimeter. Which side you are going to roll? If you roll like this, try to imagine. If you roll, the length of the pipe will be 44 centimeter. But in your question, they have given only the pipe length is 2 centimeters. For that pipe, you need to roll this metal sheet. So which side? 2 centimeters side you need to roll. That means, see, like this you need to roll. Okay? Like this you need to roll. Okay? You can see the length of the pipe is 2 centimeter. And what is the question asked here? Find the radius of the pipe. So here this shows the circumference of a circle. And this is how much? 44 centimeters. Circumference of a circle formula? 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeter. Find r here. Substitute pi value. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 44. You can directly cancel from here. 22 2s are 44 and 2 1s are. And this denominator 7 goes to this side. R is equal to 7 centimeters. What is the radius of the pipe? 7 centimeters. Which option is right? Option D, 7 centimeters. 11th one. The volume of a cylinder is 1540 centimeter cube. Its height is 10 centimeter. The area of its base is. See the options and let me write what is given here. Volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder formula pi r square h is equal to 1540. And its height is how much? 10 centimeter. Area of its base. Let me substitute the height value here. Pi r square into 10 is equal to 1540. This 10 send other side. Pi r square is equal to 1540 by 10. This 0 cancel. Pi r square is equal to 154. What did they ask here? Area of its base. Cylinder area of a base is circular shape. Area of a circle is pi r square and therefore its answer is 154 centimeter square or square centimeters. Which option is right here? Option B, 154 square centimeter. Option B, 154 square centimeter. 12th one, the height of water level in a circular well. Let me take a circular well. Water level in a circular well is 7 meters. Water level indicates height. And its diameter of a well is 10 meters given. Okay. If diameter 10, radius will be 10 by 2. That will be 5 meters. We know radius and height. What we need to find? Volume of water stored in the well. Volume formula V is equal to pi r square h. Pi value is 22 by 7. R value is 5 into 5 into height. Height is 7. 7 cancel. And that will be 5 5s are 25. 25 into 22. Multiply. 2 25s are 50. Again 2 25s are 50. That will be 550 cubic meters. Check which option is right. Option A, 550 cubic meters. cubic meters. 13th one. The radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 2:3. Radii of two cylinders. Suppose if we take here two cylinders, radii, this radii R1 and this radii R2. Two cylinders radii are in the ratio 2:3. R1 by R2 is equal to 2:3. And their heights are in the ratio H1 is to H2 is equal to 5:3. The ratio of their volume is volume V1 by V2 is equal to, what is the volume formula? Pi R square H. But here two radius we are talking. Pi R1 square H1 by pi R2 square H2. Pi will be cancelled. And here R1 is to R2 value is 2:3. 2 whole square by 3 whole square into H1 by H2 value is 5 by 3. Okay. 2 2s are 4 into 5 by 3 3s are 9 into 3. 4 5s are 20. 9 3s are 27. What is the ratio of its volume? 20:27. Let's check which option it is. Option B, 20:27. Option B, 20:27. 14th one, the circumference of the circular base of a cone. Now we are talking about another solid, that is cone. The circumference of circular base of a cone is 50 centimeters. If the slant height of it is 10 centimeter, slant height is represented by the letter L. L is equal to 10 centimeter. The curved surface area of a cone. Formulas plays a major role in this chapter. What is CSA of a cone? It is pi r L. And we know circumference of a circle. That means 2 pi r we know. Right? So, in order to find CSA, I need only pi r. Send this to other side and cancel. It will be 25. Now, pi r value you got directly. You can write here. Pi r value is 25 and L value is 10. 25 into 10, it will be 250 square centimeters. Check the option. Which option is right? Option D, 250 square centimeters. Fifteenth one, a solid cylinder and a cone have the same radius and height. Solid cylinder and a cone have same radius and height. Okay. If the volume of a cylinder is 27 cubic centimeter, then the volume of a cone, understand here, volume of a cylinder is how much? 27 cubic centimeter given. What is volume of a cone? We need to remember volume of a cone is 1/3 the volume of a cylinder. That means just divide by 3. That will be 3 9s are 27. That is 9 cubic centimeter is the volume of a cone. This will be applicable only when the radius and heights are equal for the two solids. So which option is right answer here? Option A, 9 cubic centimeter. 16th one, the revolution of a right-angled triangle. Right-angled triangle. Suppose if this right-angled triangle is done a revolution. Okay, so look here, hold at the vertex and try to rotate this and see the question. The revolution of a right-angled triangle about one of the sides containing the right angle generates solid called as. When it is rotated, what does a solid it is formed? Observe here, If this is rotated, it goes back and comes front, and you can see which shape it is. Cone, right? Circular cone. Say which option is right answer? Option A, they have given only cone. That is also right. 17th one, the number of plane surfaces in a solid cone is. Look here, this is a solid cone. How many plane surfaces it have? This is a curved surface and this is a plane surface. How many plane surfaces it is having? Only one. See the option B. 1 is your answer. 18th one, the volume of a solid cone. The volume of a solid cone is 60 centimeter cube and the area of the base is 20 centimeter square. Then the height is. Understand here, given volume of a cone is equal to 60 centimeter cube. What is volume of a cone formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 60 given. And the area of the base means which shape it is? Circular shape. Area of a circle it is pi r square. Pi r square value is 20 centimeter square given. But look here, it is very easy to answer this question. 1 by 3. Instead of pi r square, I just directly substitute the area of a circle. What is given here? 20 into height h is equal to 60. Now directly if you want, you can cancel. 23 this denominator, if it is transposed the other side, it will be multiplied. Therefore, height of a cone is equal to 9 centimeter. What is the height of a cone? 9 centimeter. Height, which one is the right answer? Option B, 9 centimeter. 19th one. If L square is equal to R square plus H square, then what is the value of H? What is the value of H? Send this R square other side. That will be L square minus R square. H square. Square in order to remove, we need to apply square root and say plus or minus. So which option is the right answer? Plus or minus L square minus R square. Your option A, plus or minus root L square minus R square. 20th one. The volume of a cone, volume formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 90 centimeter cube. The volume of a cylinder whose height and radius is same as that of a cone. Volume of a cone is 90 centimeter cube and volume of a cylinder whose height and radius same. See here, you should know the relationship between the cylinder and cone. Cone is always 1/3 of a cylinder. Suppose if you know cone volume, then what is the cylinder volume? Cone volume into 3 will give you the cylinder volume. That means you have 90 centimeter cube. 90 into 3, that will be 270 centimeter cube. See the option which is right answer. Option D, 270 centimeter cube. Okay. Let's see the 21st one. The curved surface area of a cone is 440 square centimeter. Curved surface area. What is CSA of a cone formula? Pi r L. That is equal to 440 square centimeter given. If the slant height is represented by the letter L. Slant height is given as 14 centimeter. Find R. So look here, pi r into L value substitute 14 is equal to 440. R is equal to 440 by 14 into 22 by 7 is your pi value. Send other side, it becomes reciprocal. 22 20s and this will be 2 7s are 14, 2 10s are 20. 7 cancel. R is equal to 10 centimeter. See the 21st one, which option is right? Option B, 10 centimeter. Okay. 22nd, formula to find the curved surface area of a cone is, what is CSA of a cone? Pi RL. Check the option. It is option B. Option B, pi RL. 23rd one, the height of a cone with slant height 15 centimeter and radius 9 centimeter is, observe here, height of a cone, height not given, and slant height is equal to 15 centimeter. Radius is equal to 9 centimeter. Find the height. If you know HLR, you know the relation, that is L square is equal to H square plus R square. You need H, right? H is equal to plus or minus square root of L square minus R square. Now substitute L and R value here. L 15 are 225 and R value is 9 9s are 81. Subtract these two, it will be 144. 144 square root is 12 plus or minus 12 centimeters is the height of the cone. Check the option here. They did not give you plus or minus and they have given 12 centimeters. Your option D, 12 centimeters is the right answer. Option D, 12 centimeters. 24th question, area of the base of a cone. Area of the base of a cone. Base of a cone is which shape? Circular shape. Area of a circle, that is pi r square is equal to 300 square centimeters given and height is equal to 15 given. Then the volume is, what is the volume of a cone? It is, volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square, you know h, you know directly you can multiply. Pi r square is 300, h value is 15. 300s and 15 into 100 will be 1500 volume cubic units. Check the answer here. Your option is option D. Option D, 1500 centimeter cube. 25th one, if R, H and L are the radius, height and slant height respectively of a cone, then which of the following relations is correct? See the relation here. R square is equal to H square plus L square. No. H square is equal to L square plus R square. No. C, L square is equal to H square plus R square. Yes, this is a correct relation. C, L square is equal to H square plus R square. 26th one. The curved surface area of a cone whose circumference of a base is 66 centimeter. Circumference of base of a cone. Circumference of base means circumference of a circle. That is 2 pi r is equal to 66 centimeter. And its slant height L is equal to 12 centimeters. Find the CSA. What is CSA formula here? Pi r L. You need only pi r. So just send this to other side. 33, right? Now multiply, pi r value is 33, L value is 12. Multiply this, 66, 33, that will be 396. Check the option. Option A, 396 square centimeter. 27th one, if surface area of two spheres, we are talking now sphere. Surface area of two spheres are in the ratio 25:36. What is surface area formula? 4 pi r square. 4 pi r1 square by 4 pi r2 square is equal to 25:36. 4 pi cancel. R1 by R2 whole square you can write is equal to 25/36. Remove this square, apply square root. R1 by R2 is equal to square root of 25/36. That will be 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. Your answer is 5:6. Let me read the question again. The surface area of two spheres are in the ratio 25:36. Then the ratio of their radii R1:R2 is equal to 5:6. Your option is option D, 5:6. 28th one. The surface area of a sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. What is surface area of a sphere? We know that it is 4 pi r square. Radius given 7 centimeter. Find the surface area. 4 into pi value is 22/7. Radius 7 into 7 by r square 2 times multiply. Then this will be 7 4s are 28 into 22 multiply. 56, 56, 6, 16 is your answer. Check the answer here. Option D, 616 centimeter square. 29th question. Ratio between the radii of two solid spheres is 2:3. Then the ratio between their volumes is, we are talking here about volume of a sphere, and they have given the radii of two solid sphere ratio. That is R1:R2 is equal to 2:3. And we need to find the ratio of their volumes. V1 by V2. Volume of a solid sphere formula is 4/3 pi R1 cube by 4/3 pi R2 cube. 4/3 pi, 4/3 pi will be cancelled. And whereas what is R1:R2 ratio? 2:3. So you can rewrite this as R1 by R2 whole cube. Okay. Now substitute the ratio. 2/3 whole cube. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Therefore, the ratio of their volumes is 8:27. Check the answer here. Your option A, 8:27. 30th question. The solid described by revolution of a semicircle about a fixed diameter is a dash. Suppose a semicircle is having a fixed diameter. If that diameter, if we are going to rotate, what happens? Which shape it comes? If a semicircle through the diameter is done a revolution, then which solid is occurred? See here, let's check the answers. Option A, cone, no. Cylinder, no. Hemisphere, no. And D, sphere, yes. A revolution of a semicircle with a fixed diameter, we get a sphere. Okay, your option is D, sphere. Option D, sphere. Okay, so with this, I have completed 30 questions, children. So I'm going to provide you 43 questions here. 30 I have solved now, and remaining 13 questions you are going to solve it as a homework. Don't forget to send your answers in the comment box. Okay, is this clear? I'm going to provide this in the description box and also in the Telegram link. With this, I'm going to end the session now. In our next session, we are going to meet with another new chapter. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.